Our family spent 5 nights at Jellystone Park in Zion. This park just opened in May of 2024, and it is in a great location. It's only 15 miles from the convenience of downtown St. George, Utah, where you can find lots of shopping and stores and restaurants. But then if you want to get out and explore all of the beautiful southern Utah Red Rock adventures, you're just 29 miles to the southern entrance of Zion National Park and just 4 miles to Sand Hollow State Park. As you can see though, this park has a lot of the things that the Jellystone Park campgrounds are famous for. A jumping pillow, a great playground, golf cart rentals, and of course, an impressive water zone area. This one offers a lazy river, 2 pools, 2 hot tubs, 3 body slides, and a really fun tube slide. Jellystone Park Zion also offers an awesome Wibit water obstacle course that my family loved. They have RV sites and cabin rentals, as well as tent sites